Okay, so today we're going to continue looking at how to measure and calculate the perimeter of composition rectilinear shapes in centimeters and meters. But as always, there's some 5 basic skills questions for you to answer. See if you can work them out and see if you can time yourself. How quickly can you answer them and answer them correctly? Okay, let's see what kind of time you got. Let's see if you got the answers right as well. 129 times 100 is 12,900. You move the numbers by 2 place value places. Because you are timesing, they get larger. Question 2, C is 100, XX is 20, so 100 take away 20 is 80. And if you have that in Roman numerals, it's LXXX. Number 3, the missing number is 125. If you do the inverse of 13 plus 112, it gives you 125. Question 4. We have 1,799 equals 66 plus 1,733. And the last one, 12.4 centimeters equals 124 millimeters. How many did you get right? And what time did you manage to get them all right in? Okay, let's have a little recap of the last couple of days. So, what does perimeter mean? Jot it down, see if you can get it right. How do we find the perimeter of this shape? I'm going to give you a couple of seconds to think about it. Okay. First of all, perimeter is the length around a closed 2D shape. And to work out the perimeter of this shape, we need to calculate the length of the parallel sides, then add them together. So as you can see, there's 12 on one side, there must be 12 on another. There's 20 on the long length, so therefore the other parallel length has to be 20. It's a rectangle, so there's 2 even sides. Add them all together, and it's 64 centimeters. Okay, got to challenge ourselves today with a range of problems to solve. So below each rectangle is the same length and width. They're all made up of lengths that are 9 centimeters and widths that are 5 centimeters. Have a little think, how do we calculate the total perimeter of the whole shape created? So, first of all, we label the shape with the facts that we know. We know the lengths are all 9 centimeters. So whenever there's a length on either shape, on the outside we put 9 centimeters. We also know for a fact that the width is 5 centimeters. So again, we go around the shape, and wherever the 5 centimeter shape is, that's where we put in 5 centimeters. But how do we work out the 2 missing lengths? Have a little think. See if you can work it out before you go on to the next slide. Okay, did you manage to work it out? Let's have a look. So we know that the longer length of the rectangle is 9 centimeters and the width from the shorter side is 5 centimeters. So the yellow rectangle in the middle is turned on its side, so they're 5 centimeters. And we know the longer lengths on the green and the blue rectangle are 9 centimeters. So we simply have to do 9 centimeters take away 5 centimeters, which equals 4 centimeters. Add all the sides together and you get 64 centimetres. So this slide is just a little reminder to help you. If you have this up when you're looking at your questions, it might just jog your memory and remind you how to complete these calculations. So we know what perimeter means. We now know how to measure and calculate the perimeter of a regular and a composite rectilinear shape. Remember, perimeter is the length around a closed 2D shape. Good luck with your questions. If you need any help, please just drop me a message.